Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to repost on Instagram without any watermarks. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store and here you just type repost for Instagram 2021 and this app will appear in front of you and then just click on install, and after install this app just open it. So just wait for a while, so remind me later, and you just go to your TikTok again, and here you just click on search bar and select the video or photo which you want to repost. I want to select this and click on three dot icon and then click on copy link and then again go to the app, and here you just simply post the link and just download it and repost it. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.